So we are discussing quadratic equations chapter, right? So we have got the definition of quadratic equations and standard form of the quadratic equation. Then how to identify the quadratic equation, whether the given condition are quadratic equation or not. Okay. So then how to find out the solutions of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay. Only we learned how to find out the solutions of a quadratic equation by factorization method. So only we got quadratic equations by factorization method, in the sense there are other methods also to find the solutions, no? Yes, there are other methods to find the solutions that we will discuss later. Okay. So we are discussing actually solutions of a quadratic equations by factorization method. So we are observing that many students, they don't know how to take that splitting the middle term method. Okay. So splitting the middle term method we are learning from the small classes. Okay. So we have to be practice. We have to make pakka. Okay. Make sure that the concept must be clear or not. Okay. So in yesterday's class, second exercise 10.2, only first main and second question discussion over. So because of some technical problem, here recording version we are not getting. Okay. So that is the problem facing by Cisco WebEx. They are telling that. Okay. So whatever we discussed for 15 minutes now yesterday, so that recording version is in MP4 format. So it is showing that it is an MP4 format. So that's why we didn't uploaded the yesterday's class. Okay, one small class we conducted. No one first main explanation and second question explanation actually. That recording portion is in some MP4 conversion. Akshay is telling. I don't know actually what is that. Okay, so that's why we did not upload that yesterday's concept to the YouTube. Okay, so now what we'll do is just I'll share the 10.2 exercise. Just glance that one. So I think most of the students, they have attended yesterday's class, no? MP4 means video only, Mataji. Video only in the sense not audio. Like that. Okay. So yeah, Akshay is telling something more. I don't know actually what is that. Afterwards, I'll discuss with Akshay. Okay. Okay, so then we'll start the discussion of exercise 10.2 only now. So not from the first main and all. So we have to discuss the further third question, fourth question, fifth question. Okay, so we'll finish exercise 10.2 today. So then next period we will learn new method to find out the solutions of quadratic equations. Is that clear? Okay. So how many of you finished coordinate geometry assignment? Raise your hands. How many of you finished coordinate geometry assignment? Total 4 assignments you have got, no? So if you are finished 4 assignments, then we'll send one more assignment. One more assignment is ready with us. That's why I'm asking. Yes? Can we send one more assignment? No. Huh? How many of you finished coordinate geometry assignment? 4 assignments you have, no? First assignment we discussed in the class also. Second, third and fourth discussion not over. But most of the students, they have completed up to assignment 3. I have got the information. But what about the fourth assignment, coordinate geometry assignment? How many of you finished that coordinate geometry assignment? No one is raising your hand. Why? How many of you finished that coordinate geometry assignment? Yes. So now we'll continue the class. We are discussing exercise 10.2. Yesterday we discussed exercise 10.2. Okay. See here, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. So you got the idea of these type of questions in last class, no? Yes, you have got the first question answer as x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. And second question answer is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of the equation. And the third question is x is equal to minus root 2, then x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Just verify your answer. We are discussing answers only. Then fourth question, roots are x is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, x is equal to 1 by 4. So then fifth question, x is equal to 1 by 10. X is equal to 1 by 10. Same answer. Did we discuss the same answer yesterday? Or do you have any do you got any different answer? Yes, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. First question answer right now. Then second question answer, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3 by 2. Correct? Yes. Third question, x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 only. Just verify your answer. If you got different answer, then you have to send me the message fast. Yes, fourth question, x is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by 4 and x is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, same roots we got for the fourth and fifth question now. Yes, x is equal to 1 by 4, x is equal to 1 by 4. Here she worked in the different way, but what we did yesterday actually, so 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. For the whole equation we multiplied by 8 no, but the answer is same, x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so next to fifth question is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. For that also same roots we got, that is 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. So you have to write the conclusion properly. Therefore, 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10 are the roots of the equation 100 square x square minus 20x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Okay, got the idea of the first main? Yes, now we'll start with the second main. Second main is like this, second question. Solve the problems given in example 1. Solve the problems given in example 1. In example 1, we discussed two problems, two statement problems. We converted two statement problems into quadratic equation. Just we quadratic equation up to we stopped that problem. So now for the same problem and for the same quadratic equation, you have to find the solution. First problem is John and Jaivanti problem. Okay, John and Jaivanti problem. For that you got the equation that minus x square plus 45x minus 324 which is equal to 0. So we got this equation only now, x square minus x square plus 45x minus 324 which is equal to 0 now. For that again we have to apply splitting the middle term factorization. Splitting the middle term factorization, in that x is equal to 36 or 9. So roots of the equation are 36 or 9. Got the idea? Yes. Second problem in the example 2 is cottage industry produce a certain number of toys in a day. So we have to take that number of toys produced in a day is x. Then the cost of each toy we have to take it as 55 minus x. So then the product which is equal to, so total number of total cost on that particular day is 750. Then x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. So there we'll get actually quadratic equation. What is that quadratic equation? Minus x square minus 55x plus 750 which is equal to 0. Actually we worked out this problem on that day only while discussing this quadratic equation. Okay, so we have worked out this problem that day only now. So solutions, x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 30, 25 or 30, or we have to use that. X is equal to 25 or 30. So 25 and 30 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so up to this problem we discussed yesterday. So now we have to continue with the third question. Okay, so third question is like this. See here, we'll concentrate on the third problem now. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Okay, the question is find the two numbers. We have to find out the two numbers. So whose sum is 27. Whose sum is 27 in the sense when we add the two numbers, the sum which is equal to 27. Okay, either the term must be 20 and 7, 27, or 19 and 8, 27, like that. We don't know which two numbers, but the sum is 27, product is 182. If we add that two numbers, we'll get 27. If we multiply the two numbers, the answer is 182. So then, how to find out which two numbers? So, first, we don't know any number. Only we know the topic that when we add the two numbers, we get 27. When we multiply the two numbers, we'll get answer is 182. So what we have to take? Let one number be x. We don't know anything, no? So we have to consider one number as x. Then another number. So total sum is 27, right? No? So total sum is 27 in the sense another number. So total is 27. In that, if we remove the first number x, then which is equal to 27 minus x. No? Got the idea of this concept, students? See, one number we are considering this as x. One number we have to take as x, and the another number, when we add the two numbers, sum of the two numbers is 27. In that 27, if we remove the first number x, then we'll get the second number, no? So that's why second number is 27 minus x. Got the idea why we have to choose first number as x and second number as 27 minus x? Okay, we don't know two numbers also. Two numbers also unknown. Okay, so first number we are considering as x. X means somewhat 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't know actually. We don't know actually. Okay, so then the second number is total 27. In that 27, if we remove the first number, we'll get the second number. No? Yes, that's why second number must be 27 minus x. Then here, find the two numbers whose sum is 27. Okay, and the product is 182. Product is 182. So according to the statement, product of the two numbers is 182. We are considering the first number as x, second number as 27 minus x according to first statement. Okay, and according to the second statement, product of the two numbers is equal to 182. That is x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Now you can convert this into quadratic equations now. Yes, x into 27 is 27x minus x into x is x square, which is equal to 182. So now, so here minus x square plus 27x minus 182, which is equal to 0 will get. So if you don't want to continue with the starting minus sign, then for the whole equation into minus you do, then the equation will be converted as plus x square. Then here plus 27x is minus 27x minus 182 becomes plus 182, which is equal to 0. Then, so splitting the middle term, factorization. Find the product of the first and last term. First and last term product is 182x square. So now we have to split 27x in the form of, so product must be 182. Sum is 27. So then here we got the idea that 14 into 13. 14, 13, 27. Then 14 into 13 is 182. Here we need the answer minus 27. 14, 13 in the sense we have to add both the numbers, in the sense both we have to take minus. Here minus 13x only. Got the idea? I think she forgot to write minus sign there. Minus, will write that one. Okay, this one, Akshay. Here. Minus 13x. It's okay. So we are learning something here. Okay, minus 14x minus 13x. Minus 14x minus 13x minus 27x. Then minus 14x into minus 13x is plus 182 x square. Got the idea? Then x square minus 14x, in that x is common. Then x minus 14 inside. Then here minus 13x plus 182. In that minus 13 common. Then x minus 14, which is equal to 0. Then x minus 14 and x minus 13 are the factors. Then x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. Okay, x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. So now which number here? I think she started the next problem. No, see here we will decide. Which two numbers, x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13? X is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13? Yes, the product of the two numbers must be 182. So for which value of x it satisfies actually? For which value of x which it satisfies? X is equal to 14, then 27 minus 14. Can we get 182? Did you verify the answer? Did you verify the answer, students? Yes? Verify the answer. Same to same answers will get now. 14. Then here 27 minus 14. We'll get 13 now. 14 into 13 is 182. If we substitute 13 here, then here 27 minus 13, here we'll get 14. Okay. So then again it is 182. That's why 14, 13. So are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 27x plus 182 which is equal to 0. Got the idea of this problem, students? Yes. So we'll go to the next question now. Fourth question. So fourth question, same to same type of example problem. Find two consecutive positive integers. So we discussed in the first exercise. Find two consecutive. That day we discussed the definition of consecutive term. No? Consecutive integers, positive integers in the sense continuous number. We have to add 1 for the preceding number like that. 1, 2, 3 continuous positive integer, or 2, 3, 4 like that. So 1 extra for that, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 like that. This type of numbers are called as positive, consecutive positive integers. So find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Sum of whose squares is 365. Okay. So sum of squares. So which numbers we have to take? So we are taking the first number as x and the second number as x plus 1. These are the two positive consecutive integers. X and x plus 1 are the two positive consecutive integers. What is given according to statement? Okay. So sum of whose squares. Sum of whose squares in the sense x square plus x plus 1 whole square which is equal to 365. Got the idea of this one? So x square, okay. Sum of whose squares? Sum of whose squares? I think here she forgot to write the plus sign, no? Okay, here you have to add the plus sign. 1 second, students will write the plus sign. So their plus sign is missing. Akshay here. Here, okay. X square plus x plus 1 whole square which is equal to 365. Then x square only. Here x plus 1 whole square is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. X square plus 2x plus 1 which is equal to 365. Then x square plus x square is 2x square. Then 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. Then 2x square plus 2x minus 364. How minus 364? Here 365 minus 1 is 364 is equal to 0. Then 2x square, here 2x we have to split here. So product is 364 into 2x is 728x square. Okay, which two numbers we have to take here? 28 into 26. Here you can observe that 28 minus 26 is plus 2. Okay. 28 minus 26 is plus 2. Then minus 364 is equal to 0. Then plus into minus minus. 28 into 26 is 728. Okay. So then here 2x is common. 2x square and 28x. In that 2x is common. Then inside x plus 14. Here minus 26 and minus 364. In that minus 26 is common. Then x plus 14 is equal to 0. So the factors are x plus 14 and 2x minus 26 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 14. And here 2x minus 26 is equal to 0 in the sense 2x is equal to 26. Then x is equal to 26 by 2 that is 13. X is equal to 26 by 2 that is 13. Got the idea of this problem, students? X is equal to minus 14 or x.
Mataji,
Yes.
admit Pratham Bhatt.
Okay, Pratham Bhatt is waiting. Oh, 7 participants. Why? What happened? Yes. Thank you, Anvit. Okay. Yes, x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. Is that clear? Yes. Now 50 strength. Okay. Since both are positive integers are 14, 13. Since both are positive integers are 14, 13. What is that actually? So can I get the explanation from Rashmi for this problem? Yes, Rashmi?
Mataji,
Huh.
Mataji, we get x is equal to minus 14,
Huh.
but they have asked that we should write positive integers, so x is equal to 14.
X is equal to 14. So we have to consider this minus 14 as plus 14.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
In
yes.
answer page they have given.
Yeah, we have to neglect that minus 14 as, okay, we have to take that as plus 14 only. 13 and
Mataji,
14.
sentence formation is not correct.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay, Rashmi, huh. 13 and 14 are the two positive consecutive integers. Positive consecutive integers only, no? 13 plus 1 is 14. Then 13 into, see here, we'll balance that one actually. So 13 square, then 13 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 365. That you have to balance. Okay, verify that one. Just by rough work, you just verify. Then you will get that your answer is right. 13 and 14 are the correct two numbers. Is that clear? Yes, x is equal to 13. X plus 1 is 14. Correct answer. Okay. Yes. So let the first number be x. X is 13 and x plus okay. So here we no need to take minus 14, Rashmi, here. See, because so we are considering x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. We got two to answer. No. See, x is equal to minus 14. Just leave that minus 14. X is equal to 13 only we can take. No. Let the number be x, 13. Then 13 plus 1 is 14. Here only we'll get the answer. No need to neglect this minus sign. If we consider x is minus 14, then minus 14 plus 1 is plus 13. So it is not balanced. No. Only we can take x is equal to 13. See here, let the number be, unknown number be 13 actually. So 13. Then the consecutive number is 13 plus 1, 14. So that only answer x is equal to 14 and 13. Okay, only one answer we have to take here. That is positive answer we have to take because consecutive positive integers they are asking, no. So x is equal to 13 only we have to choose. See here 13, then another number we are writing in the form of 13 plus 1, that is 14 plus 14. Okay, is that clear? Yes. So now, so fifth question is very important question. But before going to start the discussion of fifth question, now we have to end this meeting because already I got the warning. Okay, last 5 minutes. Now, let us end this meeting. Join with the same link for another one meeting. 15 minutes will continue because last two problems we have to discuss. Last two problems we have to discuss. Is that clear? Okay.